Welcome to another episode of When Liam.
Unboxing us!
Today's episode.
Also, remember the last unboxing video where Scoot Henderson is in the background? That's actually a foreshadowing to...
Whoa! So it's a special unboxing series right now because this is what? Liam?
It's the Scoot shoe, a new Scoot shoe, but there's a hot Cheeto version.
Yes, it's a collaboration with CHEETOS. So bigla kami napabili sa Puma because yun nga, first, isa sa mga favorite players ni Liam is si Scoot Henderson. At isa sa mga favorite snap niya yan. Ngayon, snap niya is hot Cheetos. So ano masasabi mo sa box, Liam?
Amazing!
Amazing. What else can you say about the details about it?
So, like, there's a hot Cheeto bag on, like, the top and the side. And then it says Scoot instead of Flaming Hot, so that's really cool.
How about the barcode? Have you
Oh, yeah,
noticed
the
that?
barcode, it's like, it's broken.
It's like a cage, I think, that the Puma came out. Parang ganon.
Or
So,
Chester Cheetah came out.
Yeah, so it's a cool box. This is a Scoot one Cheetos na shoes. So when you open it, babam! Meron pa siyang bag ng Cheetos. Yan. So ano masasabi mo dyan?
Nutrition facts.
2
2 shoes per bag. Serving. 1. Mount per serving. Calories. Na. Mischief. 100%. Iconic. 100%. Fun. 100%. Coolness. 100%. Conventional. 0%. Goofy. 0%. Daily values are based on seeing the fun in everything and living life to the fullest.
Living life to the fullest. So it's very cool. May kasama pa siyang Cheetos bag. I don't know if you can use it as a shoe bag. I think you can use it as a shoe bag. Okay, Chester the cheetah. Okay, isa pa rin pala sa mga favorite animal niya dati is yung cheetah. So when you open it, yan, maganda. May balot siya. And then, the actual shoes. So,
These are size 7, so I can't wear them yet.
yeah, so we bought it already because he really likes it. Because he also is a good boy. Always one of the top of their class. So, matagal na siya nanghihingi ng ng prize for being a studious student. Yan. So, he requested for this one. So, nung una, hindi naman nag-iisip kami ni Mami kung bibili namin o hindi. Pero, he asked for it kasi ang tagal niya na rin hinihintay yung parang reward niya for being a good student. So, what can you say about the shoes?
So first of all, I like the colors because red, orange, and yellow are it's my favorite combination. And there's like fire here, and then fire also here, and then the Scoot logo on like the tongue, and then there's even the Puma on the bottom. So yeah, it looks super cool, and there's even the Scoot logo on the inside. So it's one of my, I think it's one of the best looking shoes.
May animal markings pa. I think it's from Chester the cheetah. Tama ba? Chester ba? Tama.
Yeah, it's Chester.
And so, it looks really cool. So, ang galing ng marketing ng Puma. They're trying to...
When I tried it on, Mommy said it looked like I looked like McDonald's for some reason.
So kasi manipis pa yung niya, yung legs niya kaya nagbumuha siyang ganun. Pero parang pwede niya nang actually gamitin. Siguro tangkad pa siya ng konti, baka magagamit niya na. I think the foam is EVA. So it's not some of the proprietary foams of Puma, yung nitro foam na mas malambot, pero I think it can perform sa basketball court. Di naman lagi susutin ni Scoot Henderson to kung hindi
Ooh,
nagpa-perform.
a Meiji Alma.
Of course, he's a professional basketball player. Tapos yung orange na tawag dito, yung upper niya is when you see it, it's like parang it has flames, di ba? If you try to look at it closely, para siyang may flames na texture. Tapos yun nga, may yellow dun sa parang mga edges niya. Nagbibigay accent dun sa shoes. Tapos yung Puma logo looks like a CHEETOS logo, and also looks like a Puma logo. Tapos and of course the logo of Scoot Henderson. So why do you think people should buy the shoe? Sinong mga bibili nito dapat?
If you like basketball, if you like those three color like that one color combination with those three colors, if you like Cheetos, and if you like Scoot Henderson, and if you like spicy food. So I like all of those, so that's why I like it.
So I think yun, so kung mahilig kayo doon sa colorway na ganito, sa orange, I think this is one of the siguro na much affordable signature line ng isang basketball player.
And like unlike the side too, it's like this part, it's like the orange is like transitioning to red.
Yep.
So yeah, that's cool.
Yep, so yun. So mas affordable siya compared to other signature shoes na meron ng Nike, Adidas. Puma is also a major brand, so I think if you have
durable.
Yep, if you have a chance to take a look at it and see it in Puma Glorieta or any Puma store right near you, check it out. See if you can if you like it, or if you're a collector of shoes, I think this should be part of your collection. So yan. So, thank you sa panonood. I hope you like this episode of us. And we would overlay some of the images of the shoes. Siguro magagamit pa ito ni Liam next year. And yan, salamat ulit sa panonood. Thank you for watching our unboxing series. Hanggang sa susunod. Paalam!